Imagine this. You sit down to study, and every single word you read sticks in your mind. No forgetting, no last-minute cramming, just pure focus, memory sharp like a blade. Sounds unreal, right? Well, that's exactly how Japanese students train themselves to remember everything. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do the same. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact techniques they use, step by step, so you'll never feel helpless before an exam again. Stay with me till the end, because I've got a bonus tip that Japanese students secretly use to supercharge memory, and I promise, it's something you can apply today. But before we get there, let's talk about why most of us struggle. Most of us try to memorize by rereading the same page again and again. But that's not learning, that's just tiring your brain. No wonder we forget half the syllabus the next morning. So how do Japanese students do it differently? They don't just study. They use science-backed methods to train their memory. Let's break them down one by one. Step 1. Active recall. Instead of reading the same page 10 times, they close the book and test themselves. What did I just read? Can I explain it in my own words? This forces the brain to pull information out, making memory stronger. Step 2. Spaced repetition. Instead of cramming the night before, they revise at increasing intervals. 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, 14 days. Every time they revisit, the memory gets stamped deeper into the brain. Apps like Anki or even a simple calendar can make this super easy. Step 3. Visualization and storytelling. Japanese students turn boring facts into stories or mental images. For example, if they're learning history dates, they imagine scenes, characters, or even funny images connected to those numbers. The brain remembers pictures way better than plain text.
Step 4. Focus rituals. Before studying, they clear distractions, keep their desk minimal, and use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of deep focus, 5 minutes of rest. It trains the brain to work like a laser, not a flickering candle. Now, here's the bonus tip I promised: sleep and movement. Japanese students know that memory doesn't form while studying, it forms while resting. A good night's sleep and even a short walk before or after studying massively boost recall. So don't just reread, train your brain the smarter way. Try these methods daily for a week, and you'll be amazed at how much you remember. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more practical study tips. Your brain is powerful, train it right, and nothing can stop you.